Hi guys, today I'm going to do a quick little tutorial on how to save articles and documents and web pages into your Zotero library. At this point, if you're watching this tutorial, you should have already downloaded Zotero onto your computer, and you should have also already downloaded one of the web browser extensions. I have the Safari web extension, but there's also extensions for Chrome and Firefox as well, so you get to pick an extension that works for you, but this is important so then you can save stuff that you're browsing on the internet to your Zotero library. So to start, I'm going to go on our middle page, and I'm just going to look at our week 4 section. So what I'm doing is I'm creating a collection of week 4 readings so that later on in the term I can reference them later. So I've already downloaded the first 2 readings, and now I'm going to download the third. So we're going to visit the page. And then it's really good to just make sure that this is the page you want, this looks good, this is what I want to save. And as I said earlier, if you have to download the web browser extension so that you can save it. Once you have downloaded that, it will add a little save tab button to the top of your web browser. So I'm happy with what I'm looking at and I want to save it. I'm going to click the save button. Slide this over so you can see. And then it's going to show you over here where you're saving it to. Currently in my library, I have no collections or anything made. I'm going to show you that later. So I'm just going to save it to my library. But later on, if you have collections or different folders, they will all pop up here so you can select right away where you want it to go. So my library is selected. I'm going to click done. And now it will already be in my Zotero library. So I'll click that to show you. So now this is my library on Zotero, and these are the 3 readings from week 4. What I'm going to do now is create a collection for them. And so it's the little folder button on the top left-hand corner. I'm going to click it, and I'm going to make a new collection. So I'm going to title it Week 4. Oops. Week 4 readings. Okay. So there I have a file, a collection made for it. And now what I'm going to do is I just drag over the readings I want to add into it. And now I have everything in my week 4 reading. So I can do this every week for our class specifically, and I can have different folders for each reading so I can reference them later, or I can just make different ones, anything that I want to make them for, so I can have them in my library. Hopefully that was helpful for anyone trying to make a collection or download files on the internet.